Hi everyone, Peter from Childwall Emporium here. So on this video we're going to be making this wind chime. So you're going to need your lollipop sticks, the bamboo sticks, your beads, string and the wooden bead as well. And then you also need some glue and some scissors. I'm using a glue gun but you can use whatever glue. So you're going to start off by just putting the lollipop sticks into an X. So just a little bit of glue. There you go. Just let that dry. And now you're going to get some string. We're going to start making these bits. So you start off by feeding a bamboo stick on, then a bead, another bamboo, another bead, another bamboo, and then finally one more bead. And then you're going to tie it off and do loads of knots so it's nice and big and all the bits won't fall off then. There you go. So you're going to make 4 of these, like that. But I'm going to skip ahead, so you don't have to watch that bit. Right, so after you've done them 4, you're going to have to get your last piece of string, and then feed on the wooden bead. And then same again, just tie a few knots so it stays on. Snip the end off. So there you go. Your next step is you're going to tie each one of these on onto the end there. So you get one of them, make a loop, feed the string through the loop, and pull it tight on there. See? And then you just want to tie another loop and feed the string through again, just to tie another knot. And that'll keep it on. And you can snip the excess off. And you just want to do the same for the other 3. There we go. Mine are all tied on. Your next step is to get your wooden bead and your string, and you're going to tie that in the middle so the ball hangs and it can hit each one like that. So just loop it round and just do a knot. Just another one just to make sure it stays put. There we go. Let's snip that one. So you see, mine's not quite balanced. What you can do, the one that's sticking down is too heavy. So you can push it inwards. And that one as well. And then you can make it more balanced. There we go. And you're all done.